Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I was able to create this simple nude look, which I like to call pure caramel or a simple nude look. I'll be dropping all equipment and products used in the description box below, and if today is your first time in my channel, please do well and subscribe to my channel because this is gonna help grow my channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. And yeah, don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of every single time I post a new video. So guys, let's get down to the video. Yeah, so I just washed my face and picking up my Husia Beauty eyebrow brush. I'm brushing my eyebrows and picking up my eyebrow pencil from Davis in the shade 003. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows to draw the outline, and yeah, for my upper outline, I'm starting a bit halfway from my um natural brow hair, and I'm doing this to be able to obtain that natural look. And yeah, I'm gonna be filling it in the same way I always do, with the same Davis eyebrow pencil. I'm feeling where I tend not to have much hair on, and I'm just drawing a hair-like straight line in the other part of my eyebrows to give me that natural look, of course. So yeah, I'm taking the same eyebrow brush. I'm brushing off my eyebrow to fade off some excess, of course. And for my concealer, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey and Husia Beauty. Yeah, Husia Beauty concealer brush. And I'm gonna give my outline a very sharp look with this concealer, and I'm going exactly from the outline I just drew. I'm concealing from the front edge and going down to the finish edge. uh well, I think I'm gonna get closer. Yeah, I'm gonna get closer so you can get a closer look at exactly what I'm doing. So for my upper outline, I'm gonna be using Fiora concealer in the shade Dark Coffee. This looks a little bit the same with my skin tone, and that's why I'll be using it, because I don't want to give my upper brow another shade. I just want to give it a very sharp look to look beautiful, of course. And after doing this, the next thing you're gonna do is you blend, blend. Yeah, you're gonna keep blending it till it's okay. So for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be priming my eyes first with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna blend it right through my crease. So I'll be starting off my eyeshadow with an eyeliner, and I'm using Davis shade 18. I'm drawing just a straight line to cut my crease, and actually, as you can see, I'm actually doing that exactly at my crease. So for my eyeshadow, I'll start off with a brown dark shade from Pop Feel eyeshadow palette, and I'm blending it from the upper side of the crease. Yeah, starting from the crease cut, I'm blending it up just to give it a shade or a look to look a bit different, a bit hooded at least. And I'm using my Bobbi Brown blending brush. I'm gonna go in with a color that looks a little bit red or I don't know. Yeah, just to give it a look. Now I'm going in with a natural nude look, eyeshadow from the same palette. Yeah, and I'm gonna blend that in with the same brown, dark brown shade, which I did the first time. I'm blending it from the outer part of my crease, of course. So for my liner, I'll be using Absolute eyeliner in the shade dark, and today I'm gonna be creating a wing with it. I'm gonna create a liner wing, and as you can see, I'm doing it. You have to take your time doing this. It's actually very good to take your time so that you won't incur any mistakes or any line being out, if that makes sense actually. So as you can see, I'm packing in the color, the dark color, into my liner brush. Yeah, because I would want that area to look black. So I'm just shaking it to pack everything in. So I'll be using the same Huda Beauty liner brush, and I'll be taking a shimmer nude color that I like to call brown bronze caramel, and just line it just above there. So for my mascara, yeah, I'll be using Huda Beauty waterproof mascara, and for my lashes, of course, I'll be using red jelly in the number 109. And I'm priming my face with Duoborg Invisible Pore Face Primer. And you can see how invisible that is, making my pores to look and very classic. Oh, I love this primer. So I'll be spraying my rose water in coconut to set my face before using my foundation. My foundation is Sleek. That's my everyday foundation. Sleek Makeup Mattifying Liquid Foundation, waterproof oil control, natural wear, and I'm using my foundation blending foam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend everything, like blend very well so every part of that face looks the same. So I'm going to keep blending. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes, so you have to take your time to blend it in very properly so that you can actually get this little shade of it everywhere, including your neck, your ears, everywhere, you know. So for highlighting, I'll be using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna blend that with my blending foam, my foundation blending foam, of course. I'm going to be blending this in the areas I around my mouth where I tend to have a little bit of hair. So you blend every bit, every part of it, like I'm doing. So for my set, I'll be using Sasha setting powder with my Huda Beauty powder brush, and I'm gonna set my face. As you can see, this time around I'm not baking. No, we want to create a natural look, and the last thing we want to do is to look too heavy. So I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to set and brush, set and brush. So I'll be using LA Girl dark contour powder, and I'll be using a Bobbi Brown brush to contour my cheekbones. So for my waterline, underline. I don't know what you guys call it, but yeah, it's waterline. For my waterline, I'll be using Davis eyeliner pencil in the shade 1, and I'm gently lining my under eye, my waterline. I'll be using the same Huda Beauty liner brush and the same color I use to create my crease. Yeah, I'll be using it and I'll be packing that down below my under eye. Yeah, don't forget to blend and contour your forehead. So for my powder, I'll be using Flawless Ivy Studio Mix Loose Powder. And I'm gonna powder my whole face to give my face a more natural, beautiful, and a nice look. Don't forget to contour your nose because this makes your makeup pop, and it gives you a road to where to apply your bronzer to your nose. So for my contouring, I'm gonna be using the same Lego dark shade contour powder, and using a brush from Huda Beauty. Yeah, I'm going to draw a straight line closely together. And after doing that, I'm going to blend it in immediately. This time around, don't allow it to set because you're not gonna use much product on your face, so you are going to just brush it off almost immediately. Now for my lip, I'll be using a lip pride lip liner and under eye pencil, I think, to line my lips in the shade brown actually. And this is how I like lining my lips. It gives a more beautiful and finer shape. So yeah, for my lipstick, I'm using BB Beauty. I think it's brand nude, but it's one of the nude color. It's in the shade 9, and applying it, it looks like I'm adding pressure to it. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm adding pressure to it because I want it to look more dark and brown and nudely, if that makes sense. So for my lip gloss, yeah, I like this lip gloss very well, and I'll be using a classic makeup shine sensation chillax lip gloss. I just love everything about the lip gloss, including the taste. So I'll be applying this on my lip. um you just apply it by dabbing it so it doesn't spoil anything about what you just did. So I will dab it from my upper lips to my lower lips, from lower lips to upper lips. So that's it. Yeah, using the same rose water in coconut, I'll be setting my face again, and this time I'll be setting it for priming. I'm using Huda Beauty black brush with Morphe shimmer bronzer. Yeah, and I'll be bronzing my cheekbones with this brush, of course. And wow, look at that popping. So I'll be making use of Bobbi Brown Small Fan Bronzer. I love this brush, and I'll be applying this as highlights on my forehead and my cheekbone, my jaw bones and my neckline as well. Now using Husia Beauty flat blending brush, I'm gonna be applying my bronzer to my nose, my lips, and below my eyebrows outline. I like applying on my nose in two ways, just at the tip and just after before you get to my eyebrow. This gives it a more beautiful look, if that makes sense actually. So I'm gonna put on my wig and yay! This is the end look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, this is really gonna help grow my channel, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of every single time I post a new video. And yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box below. Bye.